Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I filmed this tutorial of me doing this ponytail, something quick, easy, cute, and yeah, so I kind of did the feed-in method. So the products that you'll need: gel, and I use the Got2b Gel, edge control, I use this, some clips, a wide tooth comb, and then you need some braiding hair, and then of course you need a bristle brush, and some ponytail holders. And honestly y'all, this was really quick. I did this super fast as I'm running late, I'm headed out, and yeah, so you guys will see me do this, and it's super long, super cute, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video and watching me do my hair. Hope you guys try it out. I hope it was informative, useful to you all, and yeah. So right here I have this type of elastic band. I prefer these kind because I just don't have to use as many rubber bands. But if you don't have that kind of ponytail holder, usually I use two because I like my ponytails to be tight. Okay, so I just detangled my hair because we're not doing no heat. So right now what I'm about to do, I like to call this like a soft mode. So you know, because I know me, like when I do ponytails, I never can be satisfied with the ponytail on the first try, just because some like stuff will start poking out, and you know, you just want it to be as smooth as it can, and it'll especially be like that since we're not straightening our hair. So you just want to do like a soft mold. Like you're gonna do the ponytail tight, but not as tight as it would be you know, with the actual ponytail. But you do want to do it tight, because the tighter you do it, more like kinks and like little lumps and stuff will come out. So you just want to make sure like you smoothing it. And then this part too, this when you kind of take out your edges. And yeah, so I'm doing no part just because my hair all around isn't long enough, or it could be long enough, but I don't feel like playing with it honestly. So we gonna do no part, and it's gonna be like maybe like right here. So just to like, you know, make sure everything is smooth and detangled, because if it's detangled, you know, it'll be smooth or whatever, or smoother. I'm coming in with a smaller tooth comb. So now we about to just like, you know, brush out our edges, or whatever we want our edges to be, brushing them out. So just because I know, like with me, I can easily, this hair could easily get slid into the ponytail, so I'm gonna just clip it off with these little clips. Okay, so now feel around your ponytail, and wherever you feel like, because you want to do your ponytail like the soft mode wherever you want your ponytail to be, you know. And after you feel around and see where it's like lumpy at, you're gonna grab a comb and you just gonna like, you know, comb it out. So now your ponytail is gonna look like this. So now I have this type of tie. This is like a 2-in-1. So because if you don't have this, just do 2 ponytail holders with it still like this. I got some Got2b. We gonna start like section by section. Your section could be like where your edge is at, and that could let you know. So this section, so this is where it gets tedious, because you know, as this dries, you want it to dry with the mode that you want. So now I have to take it off, and we gonna redo it for the back. So this is for the back, so we're gonna do the same thing. So now for the back, I'm not putting as much gel just because I don't want it to pull on the back of my hair. So I'm just, then we're gonna go like that. So now, boom, we ready. So that is to my liking, so we about to do it. So as you doing it, still try to like smooth it. So now, you know, of course, tighten it. Now you want to comb out your ponytail because we about to braid it. So I have me some braiding hair. So you know the ends of my hair is this color, so that's why we got it this color. So I'm just sectioning out some hair. So you could section it to however you want it. And you know, it's not permanent, so if you have too much, too less, you can always take it out. And I'm gonna leave out some hair just cause we gonna use this for later. So we just gonna leave this out. So we're gonna do it like that. So now I'm gonna put some gel on my hands just so I can kind of slick my ponytail down just a little bit, just cause my ends are a little straight. I just braided once, so now I'm about to add some hair. Y'all, I cannot explain how I add the hair. You want to be doing the braid tight, just so, and then especially if your hair is shorter, you know, the tighter, so you could grip it and, like, you know, it just blend together better. So on the part where your hair is sticking out, put some more gel. So when you braiding down, when you notice it getting thinner, that's when you want to add in hair for extra length. So I'm gonna put a rubber band for now, but I'm gonna dip the ends just so, like, you know, it's not stiff. So now is when you wanna, like, you know, kind of like pinch the braid so that, like, you know, everything kind of blend together. And then too, now we about to gel down where our hair is sticking out or it's lumpy or anything like that. So now with this, you just gonna wrap it around. And when you're wrapping around, you either can bobby pin it, gel it, whatever. I'ma gel it. So now we just gonna, like, put whatever gel that you had, whatever gel, and you just gonna clean up any flyaways. Okay, so now Ooh, we're about to do our edges. So I think I'm gonna use this edge control, either this one or the Style Factor, whichever. So whenever I'm done with a part, just gonna, you know, gel it. So this is the ponytail. So we about to do finishing touches. So the finishing touches are going to be like dipping the ends, and then you know, we just cleaning up. Like if you see any flyaways, like now the back of your head, that's a bit more like challenging because, you know, since I didn't spray my head down with like Got2b, unless you want your back to be like stiff and like, you know, perfect, then spray like some hairspray, Got2b, anything like that. But I really don't. So your hair will, the back of your head will have flyaways just because, like, you know, the braid is against it, but the edges look good. So the braid is good. So okay, so I'm about to like get some scissors and we're gonna clean up the braid, and then I'm gonna dip the end. I'm not gonna show on camera me dipping the ends because I have to get dressed. Okay, so I clipped it, I cleaned it up, and then I dipped the ends. So this is it. And yeah, hope you guys try it out. See you in the next one.